Ég heiti Jóna Hrönn Bolladóttir og ég sóknarprestur í Garðabæ og Álftanesi á Íslandi. My name is Jóna Hrönn Bolladóttir and I am a senior pastor in Garðabæ and Álftanes in Iceland. Influence. And when I was a teenager or young woman, I was working all summers in summer camps for kids, and I was telling them about Jesus, and I found out how it impacts these young souls and how it was so beautiful. And somehow I was, raised up as to be a leader in the church somehow, and my father encouraged me to be a pastor. And he and the first female pastor in Icelandic, they knew each other and they were pastor on the same time in the church. So, that's my story. We will try. My father, he was my role model, and he supported me, and how he lives and how he was serving his community and being a father. That was it had a lot of influence in my life and all the family. And he was also an artist, so writing books and drawing pictures and doing many things that. So I learn a lot from him, and he was somehow he believes. It was so beautiful, and he was he was following God every day. Yeah, yeah. We have the Bishop of Iceland. She is a woman, so that says a lot. And I never feel that people cannot use my service and don't want to talk to me as a pastor because I'm a woman. Never. I'm thankful every day. I wake up thankful every day because I am always trying the grace of God in my life and in the community, in my congregation. I see people raise up and doing, being a best version of themselves. And there are a lot of things happening in the Church of Iceland, in the National Church. So God's grace is just part of every day in my life, and so I'm thankful, and it's very important for us to have eyes to see that and ears to hear that,